In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a plugin in WordPress. First thing you want to do is go to your dashboard and go to Plugins, Install Plugin. Then you want to click the Add New button at the top of the screen. Note that plugins add functionality to your website. One of the plugin that we're going to add, the example we're going to use today, is called W3 Cache. It's a caching plugin that will help your site run faster. And so I type in enough of the name and then I can see that it's here. It's W3 Total Cache. I click Install Now. Any plugin that already is in the WordPress ecosystem will automatically be available to be downloaded. And so this is the easiest way to download a plugin. And then I click Activate. And from there, I go back to the Plugins menu. And within the Plugins menu, you can scroll and see the status of your existing plugins. You can do settings and you can deactivate existing plugins. So once you've installed a plugin, you're going to want to take a look at the settings for that plugin.